Hi everybody, I'll show you how to make an item in uTouchPOS++ software. First you need to log into the uTouchPOS++ software. From main window you need to go to back office. It will ask you a permission request. If you log into the back office, you can see menu inventory. From here, if you press plus, it will generate a new option for new item. If you select it, from the right side you can put all the information. Usually I do with the show advanced properties. If you select it, it will show all the information related to the item. If you select it, you can put the item name. Let's say test 3. You can select the button. Let's select the palette. You can put the description. So, description 3. If you already created the category, you can create from here. You can put the category. Let's say pixelate apparel. If you already create the group, you can put a group. If you want to put the item on the first place, you can put shoe order 1. You can put the barcode number here by scanning the barcode, size of the button, size of the color of the item. From tax price section, you can select your tax. Let's say US tax. You can apply this tax to same group or same category, or you can select apply this tax to all item. We already select the US tax, so don't worry. You can put a custom tax as well, and here you can put the price of the item. Let's say $1. There's a multiple price system. If you have a price schedule option, you can put multiple price. You can put the cost of the item, let's say 80 cents, and available quantity, let's say 20. You can put unfixed price if you want to change the price on sale. When you gonna sell it, it will ask to change the price. You can change it on demand. This section, kitchen and bar printer, this is related to printing receipt. When you confirm the order, it will print on the kitchen or bar. If you want to print on a kitchen, you can select it kitchen. If you want to put the bar, you can put bar, or you can select the both of the option. Let's say, and you can apply this rule to same group, same category, or you can apply this to all item. In sales by weight or time, you can put your weight of the item. Usually if you have a weight scale, it will work with that. And in the miscellaneous, you can put the picture of the item. In this section, you can put the low quantity notification here. Let's say if the item quantity is less than 10, it will show a low quantity item notification. Let's save it and close it. This is your first item created. Thank you.